Hi everyone. As of now, you all see that how we can create instances inside HANA Cloud and starting the create of dev space where we can development inside that business application studio. So once going to forward, to say that today we will discuss this SAP CAP project for development and how to create the database entry service entries which going to interface between the system inside dev space. So I have clicked on the business application studio that is currently running. If it is interested, you have to click here to run this. Now click on that FS apps, which is already created by me. And in the last video, I already show you which dependent file you have to select it. Okay, and last time I already on this. So we are proceeding further. Let me close this file. Okay, first of all we will check the connections with Cloud Foundry. Before starting the project in BTP, you have to make sure that environment is connected with Cloud Foundry. Okay, so this is the basic steps. So right now if I click here, it shows the file inside that which is already connected with my system. So that means it is there. So now, as earlier said, that we will go through that SAP CAP project development and create one module. That's name is learning purpose. Just for learning purpose, name them, and we will create one project where we can buy courses and study about that course. It's just like a learning platform, okay, e-learning platform. So from here now onwards, we are going to first of all we have one option like there is dependency of database inside the system. So once you created in this environment, you created this workspace, you will be you will be seeing that database standard database already fed inside the mtl file. So once you go to that mta.yaml file, inside that you will find out that dependency is to gen /db. You can, like, I just drag over, you can see here the path to the folder that contains module artifacts, and the source is mta.json. So these files contain a source of database. So you have to change this with db. So we need to point it out to db. So these database change database path is necessary. Okay, so now we are going forward. So first of all, we need to remove as we added here the db, then we have to remove dependency of that database which is already inside the system. So for that you need to go to package.json. Inside that you can see here that devDependencies. Okay, so that dependency is optional. We have to remove from here. So first of all, we will remove this dependency. Then we will add CDS. So for that, we are going to add CDS. CDS. Okay. We are going to add build. We're going to build task. I'll create one task. Okay, and the task we have to define for HANA, like source. So first of all, we'll define the source for HANA, right? Because here we are, the source is HANA, but we will change the destination dest with dv. So I hope you understand this. I gave the task one task here where the dependency is this. So once you created these, you have to let them know, specify the node also. So here we are working for which node, like define node dot slash cf. Okay, so we have defined this. Now what we need, what we required. Okay, we require, what is your requirement here? We require dv. We required a db, so we assign the db here, and the db for which kind of db. Okay, you have to, but here it is automatically taken care of HANA, but we are going for Cloud HANA. I hope you understand this, right? So there is no difficulty to understand these languages. So I will format it this. I'm going to go on this. Oh, it says extra comma, but where? Dun, 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 dun. That is okay. So we remove from here. So now we write that code and we define that we have to build a task from HANA, and the source is DB and the destination is DB, which this is the task. Okay, but that task we need to define for Node.js. That's it. But for the dependencies task. Okay, so we have applied for that is okay. Now there is 4 errors. So I'll remove them one by one, and the file expected. So now worry about that. Source is okay, build is okay, task is okay, not task is not okay. Now task is okay. The only thing we have an issue with this. Now every error is removed from here. Now we will define these two services like inside SRV source services. Inside DB, we need to define the uh, dependency. Like we need to define before that we will install the dependency. So to install the dependency, open the command. Wait a minute. Open terminal. Where is what? Yeah. So we have open terminal to install the dependency. So to install the dependency, we need to go for install. That command is showing not found. So we will go to the PWP. Okay, the project is installed. You can see here. Now we get additional DB file folder. So for this you need to go for npm install -g no, CLI. Oh, so if you see here, there is less file. Once we run this command, we will get the dependent file for related to database. So now it's not saying to see this. We need to run this command and CLI space create module. Okay. So once we run this, module is updated. If you see here, the file is increases. So for now we will create two folder that is inside the source folder and inside the DB. So we will create one file here, new file here. So we will name them learning purpose dot cds. Okay, cds file, we need to create the dependency. So this one file inside this one db, and one we need to create inside srv. So learning purpose srv source srv dot cds. So we have created these which is used for database and which is used for SRB folder, which is used for services, and the package.json for dependency. So we will write the code in next lecture. That's all for today. Thank you, all of you.